from 13,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos na lang. So now we're back and final. Uy, I missed this. Ngayon, ipapakita ulit ako sa inyo. Let's unbox this pair of shoes na nakuha ko recently lang. From 5,000, naging 3,000. And guess what? Kung magkano ko siya nabili. 13,000 retail, 2,000 pesos ko na lang nabili. Wild, diba? So by the way, this is my first ever Hoka. Sad to say, hindi to running shoes if nag-expect kayo na running shoes. Pero still a good deal. So huwag ka na patagalin. Pakita ko na sa inyo. Tara! This pair is the Hoka U-Tour Summit in black colorway. Sobrang panalo na ito if you're into gorpcore, mga baggy pants, pasok na pasok to. Disclaimer lang, hindi to ganun ka-comfy. Ang upper niya is something like parang leather na may nakapalibot na rubber and sobrang kapal ng outsole nito, guys. Naka-Vibram na outsole na rin siya, which is very heavy duty as we all know. And sad to say, hindi to Gore-Tex. So, hindi siya water resistant, hindi siya waterproof. And makikita nyo, sobrang ganda nito. And it has also 2 extra laces, which is the blue one and the black one. Nabili ko nga ito sa Hoka Hacienda. I'm not sure if may stocks pa nito kasi the last time na nabili ko to is may few pairs pa, like 8.5, 8, and 9, and 6 ata. If malapit lang kayo, sa Hacienda silang, try to check this out. So sa tingin nyo guys, panalo ba? Or worth it ba sa 2,000 pesos tong pair na to? Let me know. Peace!